Here's a neat thing you can do with Music One's interactive scheduling clocks. You can set up an array of scheduling views with the clocks. This gives you different perspectives about your music flow. I usually set a display like the one you see here. I call it my main view. The text tags show the song title and the artist, and the color of the format slices are the colors of my category. Here, red is my hot current category, medium current hits are yellow, classic oldies are in light blue, and so on. I also set up a tempo view. Then, after my day is finished, I can switch to that look and see the tempo flow throughout the hours. To switch, I open the little drop-down box in the top right of the screen, select Tempo, and here's what I see. I've defined my tempos as red, yellow, orange, blue, and light blue. The tempo of the songs scheduled in this hour are displayed in color. I can see things in a different way. I notice the only 2 slow songs in the hour are scheduled back to back. I didn't have a formatting rule preventing that, but I might decide that I want to make an adjustment. Okay, what were those 2 songs? Close Enough to Perfect, and a song by the singer Ron Williams. I decide I want to move a song of a different tempo in between these 2. So let's point and click and drag the song by Kenny Chesney into that position. I switch back to the tempo view. There, I like that better. Now I've also set up a gender view so I can see the flow of male, female, and duets in the hour. This hour, only 3 female songs, all 3 scheduled in the first half of the hour, and 2 of them back to back. I've set the tags to also show gender. Normally I'll have this view showing the color of the gender and the tag showing title and artist. I need to know that so I can make a better editing decision. So let me switch back to the main view. The 2 female songs at 20 past the hour are by the singers Catherine Britt and Gretchen Wilson. From my tempo view, I know that one of them is medium tempo and one is fast. So I think I'll switch positions with the fast song by Gretchen Wilson and a slow song from the next half hour. So let me drag Gretchen over here to where Alabama is, and then pull the Alabama song back to the position where Gretchen was. Switch back to the tempo view for a quick check. Then to the gender view to see the hourly balance again. You can customize 5 different views of your clocks. Open the Display menu and select Style. This is style number 3, my gender view. I can select the pie color. I have it set for gender here. Remember, you can also define all of the colors for all of the song characteristics yourself. If I want, I can also set a crust color. That works like this. I'll change it to Category, and I'll show you what happens in just a second. With the Label field, you tell Music One which field of text to display next to the format slots. You can select Artist, Artist and Title, Title Only, Tempo, Gender, and such things. The Log Text selection box lets you display different fields when you look at the schedule in a log view. That's when you switch to view the schedule as a list instead of as the graphic clock. There are some other display options here too, but we'll pass those for now to keep it quick. What I do want to show you is the crust view. Remember, we set it to show the category color on the crust of the clock. Now, take a look. See, the little rim is kind of like a crust of a pie. Since I set my colors, I know that hot current is red. So I can look at the first song, see that it's blue for male, and it has a red crust. It's a male song from my hot current list. These different views are handy. They give you unique ways to look at your music flow. When you can visualize your programming this way, you'll see things you might not ordinarily notice. You'll make fine-tuning adjustments and be more satisfied with your music flow.